Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to talk about the furnace filter. Furnace filters are very important. If you don't get enough airflow across your heat exchanger in the wintertime, your unit could go off on high temperature. If you don't get enough airflow across your cooling coil, your unit could frost up. Both conditions use more energy and could damage the unit. This furnace here has a pleated filter. I personally like the pleated filter, but you got to keep an eye on it over the fiberglass filter because it catches more dirt. If you don't watch it, you can end up with a plugged filter. This one isn't going to look like it's dirty, but listen to the sound as I pull it out. The airflow definitely is increasing. And it doesn't really look that dirty, but it's dirty enough. So I've got a new one right here. Filters are easy to put back in. You just got to get the right size and follow the arrow direction. This arrow says that the airflow is this way. So we're going to put it back in. And now you're all set. One of the things you don't want to do is take a filter out and not replace it. If it's the only way to keep a furnace or air conditioning going because the filter's so dirty, that's fine. Take it out. But make sure you replace it because it's a lot harder to clean your heat exchanger or your cooling coil. Thanks for watching today's video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up or a like. Also, if you'd like to see more, just subscribe to my website. Thank you very much.